Are you having problems with Microsoft Office 95 legacy support not locating the mso95.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To kick off the mso95 walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the mso95, a legacy Office 95 shared library. It houses unmanaged routines for 1990s-era Office documents, mandatory for modern versions of Office to resolve localized data manifests when opening extremely old spreadsheet or document files. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. mso95 belongs to Microsoft Office 95 Legacy Support Bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Microsoft Office 95 Legacy Support will restore this file and related components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered mso95 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. The versions of mso95 DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for mso95. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix mso95. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.